Depositions happen in almost every lawsuit. Well, what exactly is a deposition? A deposition is sort of like part of a mini trial. It's part of the discovery process, which basically is the other side trying to get information about the case and to get a record of statements you make in answer to their questions. You take an oath to tell the truth. Your answers are transcribed by a court reporter. Statements you make at a deposition can be used against you in subsequent proceedings. If you make a strong impression at the deposition, that can help to settle your case. So, how do you handle a deposition? First of all, do not feel intimidated. If you brought a lawsuit, it should be because you have a good case and a valid injury, and you have the facts on your side. Be careful in your answers and take the deposition seriously, but at the same time, go into the deposition feeling calm and confident and believe that you have a strong case or you would not have brought it in the first place. When you are asked a question, there are a few basic points to remember. Listen to the question, stop and give yourself some time, think about your answer, then answer the question and tell the truth. Do not guess. If you don't know the answer or you don't understand the question, then that is what you should say. Pay attention for hidden assumptions. For example, if you had the green light and the other driver ran a red light and you got T-boned, the defense lawyer might ask, what could you have done to prevent the accident? The hidden assumption in that question is that the accident was somehow your fault and you could have prevented it. That question can be objected to by your attorney as it assumes facts not in evidence and calls for speculation. Furthermore, if that assumption is wrong, then you are well within your rights to say there is nothing you could have done to prevent the accident. The other driver ran the light and it's their fault. Oftentimes, months or even years can go by after the accident before the deposition happens. That's why it can be helpful before the day of your deposition to take some quiet time and go over in your mind what your life was like before the accident itself, and what your life was like after the accident, and what your doctors have told you about your prognosis. Get a good night's sleep before the day of the deposition. Avoid drugs or alcohol. Dress as if you were going to a business meeting or job interview. That can help you feel confident and come across well to the other side. However, a suit and tie or formal dress is not necessary. Familiarize yourself with the location before the day of the deposition, which is usually at the defense lawyer's office. Plan for traffic. That way you don't have to deal with the stress of getting lost or having to rush, which can affect you during the deposition. A deposition can make or break your case. If you take the time to prepare, it will help you to present a strong case based on the truth of what happened.